You can easily make a desktop widget using DejaOffice PC. These are helpful when you want to see multiple types of records at a glance, or if you want to see records on your desktop. To float a window, simply click the menu in the upper right. Then click Float. The floated calendar is a fully functional calendar. You can move or close a floated window by clicking the down arrow at the top. Click the arrow again to pin the window to the desktop. You can also float contacts. The floated window can be resized and placed wherever you wish. Floating windows are especially helpful when you have multiple monitors.